Hi, my name's Gareth Spence. I'm currently in Brocade's headquarters in San Jose. I'm here to talk about the relationship between Adver Optical Networking and Brocade and what this means to its customers. To help me do this, I am joined by Adver Optical Networking's Schlegel and Brocade's Truls Myklebust. Gentlemen, thank you for joining me today. Uli, let's start at the beginning. Could you talk about the relationship between Adver and Brocade?
The relationship between Adver and Brigade started quite early. So especially with the predecessor of Brocade, or predecessors like CNT, InRange, McData, which were later on required by Brocade. And we had a very deep relationship, and we did, especially technically, do a lot of testing and did a lot of working together in order to bring kind of a common solution towards our customers.
Okay, and Truls, what does this relationship involve?
So Brocade and ADVA have worked very closely together to ensure that we have great interoperability between our solutions. In the end, customers rely on these solutions to hold up in the most strenuous environments out there. The distance connectivity is a critical component to ensure that they can recover data and are protected in the event of disasters. And so those solutions have to hold up and have to be reliable and have to provide high performance connectivity between data center sites.
And Uli, how important is this interoperability to your customers? What do they tell you?
The interoperability is key. You know, in the old days, you just sold your equipment and people tried it out and they bought it when they were happy. But this completely changed over the last couple of years. Nowadays, you have to provide settings, you have to provide interoperability reports in order that the customer sees, okay, these boxes are really working together, and these features are transported also over distance.
Okay, and Truls, can you tell us a little bit about the laboratories you have here and the setup to make sure that the products work together?
Yeah, we have significant lab infrastructure both here in San Jose and in other sites that we have as well, where we do very in-depth testing, both to test local connectivity within the data center and also to test high-performance connectivity between data centers. And we've worked with ADVA. We have ADVA gear directly in our labs to make sure that that testing is part of even the base development process when we bring out new platforms.
Okay, and Uli, I understand that ADVA has a new lab as well dedicated to this interoperability testing.
Exactly. We brought all our storage gear and fiber channel switching gear into one place, in a big lab in our Polish facility. And this is where we do really intense testing of synchronous protocols over distance, asynchronous protocols over distance, a variety of different switching and storage devices. And so we can make sure that this is really tested in a real environment, not just using a fiber channel tester, for example.
Okay, and Truls, what can customers expect from this relationship going forward?
Well, the demands when it comes to replication over distance, both over medium distances and very long distances, that continues to go up. So we're seeing more and more data and more expectations around availability, and that causes a greater need for replication over distance. We're continuing that development. We're currently at Gen 6 fiber channel with 32 gig speeds. Very excited about the work that we've done to ensure that we have full compatibility at that speed. But we're already investing in the next generation of fiber channel, where Gen 7 will emerge over the course of the next several years, where we'll take another bump up in speed for fiber channel to keep up with the demand that customers have.
Fantastic. Gentlemen, thank you for the history lesson and the vision going forward. Thank you.